Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Grab at least 3 Zonai batteries or fragments because stacking power is faster than scavenging later. Once done, equip a pulley and a bomb so you can reposition or clear space. Make sure to have a shield for quick swap protection. Next, mark scrap piles and nearby machines as targets. This speeds repairs and harvesting. You do this to minimize travel and maximize assembly time. By starting on powering modules immediately, you get compounding capacity earlier. Now you focus on construction. Build a battery bank by connecting 2 to 4 batteries in parallel so capacity stacks while voltage stays stable. Use conductive frames and insulated mounts to prevent shorting, because tidy wiring reduces energy bleed and keeps systems safe. Then optimize load routing. Feed power to essential devices first and stagger heavy draws so nothing spikes out. Once wired, test under light load. Tweaking connections at this stage increases finish by sealing assemblies with covers and small shields. This prevents physical damage and unintended disconnections. Then run a 5-minute endurance test while monitoring for heating, flicker, or rapid drain. These signs tell you where losses occur. If something goes wrong, isolate modules and swap batteries one at a time to find the faulty unit, and make sure to inspect mounts for shorting. Finally, reposition mounts to reduce line length. Shorter runs lower resistance, and you keep more usable power for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.